video is to show you how to repost something that somebody already has on their class into your class, but creating a new Google form in the process so that way your data stays as your data and not everybody's data. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So to start, I'm in my class. I'm going to go up to classwork and I'm going to click create. And under create, it says reuse post. So I'm going to click on that. And now I can see all kinds of posts. And these ones are all ones that are in my class. So I'm looking to repost one of Naggie's lessons. So I'm going to go to her class. And the way that I did that was when I was in my class, there's this little gray arrow and it says back to all classes. I'm going to click that. So now I'm going to go to Naggie's kindergarten class. I'm going to find the lesson that I want to copy. Here we go. So I want to copy lesson 1. And then when I do this, I'm going to click create new copies of all attachments. So all of these will be a copy of it, and we only want to do that after we've approved that final, we agreed that's what we want, because otherwise we'll each have to go into our own form or into our own Google slide, and we'll have to make any edits that we want to make that way. So this is only to be done after we have a final copy of something. So create new copies of all attachments. Click that box. Make sure that lesson 1 is highlighted. And then we're going to click reuse. And we're reusing. Any day now. Usually, if you're reusing a post on your page, it does not take this long. Okay. So now we have this set up. So I have lesson 1, my title, my instructions, I have the Google slide that only the students can view, and I have my Google form. Now I'm going to set my due date, and I'm going to schedule this for the 30th at 6 a.m. Scheduling. And then when I click on this, what is a symbol, it should not have the same data as Naggie's. And here's why, because it's a copy of it. So I'm going to click on this little pencil down here, and that's going to show me the edit mode. So this is right now, this is what the students should see when they go into Google Forms. I'm going to click on edit. And if I click on my folder, I should be able to see this in my folder, not in Naggie's folder. So this should be a copy, not her original file. So that should be where it is. And then when I click over here on responses, once I start receiving responses, I'll be able to see the answers in here, and it should only be mine. So it's really important that you check that box that says copy, make a copy of those attachments. And then that'll allow you to have your own responses as opposed to somebody else's on there. So now I have this scheduled, it's in. Now we haven't officially talked about this yet, so I'm going to delete this particular one just to make sure that whatever I am posting is going to be the final copy of it. So I will be posting this later after we have all talked about it and we've all decided that that is the copy of the materials that we want to use. And that's it.